So I'm gonna give you a little Animal Crossing fact real quick. So I got my night vision goggles on. Wait. But as you can see, I have a stung eye by wasps. Let me put these back on real quick. Okay, time to get on to the fact. Let me find one of my villagers. I already talked to him. Okay, let me talk to this villager. So when I talk to him, as you can see, he has like normal text. But when I take off the night vision goggles, he reacts when you get stung by a wasp. Stop moving. See, he reacts to my sting. So, yeah, that was just a little fact, and so yeah. I guess that was kind of useless, but whatever. Maybe this video will get a view or two. I don't know. Bye. I've shown my face like 20 times.